Welcome back to Altcoin Goddess, where I bring you the hottest opportunities in the crypto world. Today, we're diving into a massive opportunity in trading known as Master Edge Trust. But as always, before we get started, please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Master Edge Trust is redefining excellence in the world of Forex trading. Driven by a commitment to innovation, trust, and excellence, they empower traders and investors to achieve their financial goals. With their advanced technology, valuable resources, and exceptional customer support, they provide literally everything needed for success in the trading space. Also, when it comes to security, their platform is second to none, ensuring that your safety is always their priority. Traders can feel confident knowing that they're using a platform they can fully trust, which is a major plus, guys. They also offer professional trading support available 24/5 with a dedicated team that is always there to guide you every step of the way. They give you comprehensive trading opportunities, offering tight spreads, low fees, and optimizing trading conditions designed to maximize your potential. With advanced trading solutions, they provide innovative tools and platforms that simplify the trading process, making it easier for you to trade in the financial markets. Their technology guarantees seamless execution, real-time data, and powerful analytics, which all play a huge role in helping traders succeed. The best part here, guys, is that their team of experts provides personalized guidance and actionable insights, which is helping you make informed and confident decisions in the fast-paced world of trading. So technically, this massive project provides expert guidance every step of the way to help you succeed in your trading journey. Whether you're just starting or you're already experienced, they've got the resources to help you grow at your own pace. And with their tailored market insights, you will always stay ahead of the curve and be ready to make the best moves. When it comes to trade execution, Master Edge Trust is on top of its game with an average execution time of just 2 milliseconds, so you will never miss a market opportunity. Their platform is backed by advanced security measures, including 256-bit SSL encryption and multi-factor authentication, so your data and funds are always protected. And on top of that, they meet ISO 27001 security standards, ensuring top-tier protection for all traders. They're also offering a 99.9% uptime powered by state-of-the-art server infrastructure and disaster recovery protocols to ensure you can trade without interruption. What's also huge here is that they have absolutely simplified the journey to market entry with an easy account setup that lets you start trading immediately, no hidden fees involved. This straightforward approach ensures that you can engage with global markets right off the bat and is another major plus. As you can see, guys, from Forex pairs to commodities and indices, the trading possibilities are extensive. The platform prioritizes cost efficiency, offering competitive spreads and a transparent pricing model that maximizes your profit potential without any surprises. As I said, security is paramount with encrypted transactions and adherence to regulated broker policies, ensuring the safety of your funds. And for those who value flexibility in trading, this gem accommodates your lifestyle with mobile-friendly platforms and desktop-compatible tools, allowing you to trade in your terms anytime and anywhere. On top of that, they also place a high value on education, offering free resources and expert insights to continually sharpen your trading skills and strategies. As you can see, this gem is technically online trading at its best because it's offering a seamless experience with tight spreads, fast execution times, and excellent market analysis. It's designed to give traders all the tools and support they need to succeed, so if you're looking to step up your trading game, this is a huge opportunity that you definitely do not want to miss out on. With their state-of-the-art technology, strong support team, and focus on security, Master Edge Trust is making trading smoother and more efficient for everyone. As you can see, you can fully take advantage of their powerful tools, fast execution, and low trading costs to unlock the full value of your traders. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more epic crypto content. And if you are ready to explore what Master Edge Trust has to offer, click the link in the description and start your journey to trading success. And remember that the future of trading is just one click away. Let's get those gains, and until next time, keep trading smart.